Hi, good evening all, and welcome to RT classes C and CMA Guru. This is regarding a general discussion regarding certain movie and linking with our subject auditing point of view. So recently, I just want to share this particular information with all my students community, and I just want to share how you can learn subject from even from movies also. That is my intention to do this particular video. So recently I watched the movie of Lucky Bhaskar Nana, and there I check with so many things, and so many things are striking, and these are all points. And if you check with the entire movie point of view, I just want to interlink that particular movie with auditing subject point of view. Sir, movie also we can link up with the subject. Yes, sir, absolutely. If you learn the subject, if you see everywhere subject, definitely you are going to learn the particular things very comfortably. Let's come to the particular things. See the particular aspect point of view. If you check with so while the see who are watched already that film, they come to know, sir. Or after that, maybe after this video, certain people maybe watch that particular movie also. I hope so. So where I observed a few audit related terms in related to that particular movie, Nana. So what are the particular things means? If you check with the first, while the CBI is inquiring and investigating our hero, there he for everything he is giving a lot of information. He already predict the future because that too he is an educated, he is working in a bank, and that too also how you can earn money in related to doing certain fraudulent activities or scam point of view, whatever it may be covered. So there if you check with, he maintained every information, he predicted the future, and based on that he maintained the information, and how he earned that income, for everything he given a proper information. There if you observe audit evidence playing very important role. Sir, if you don't have that information with you, that point of time he cannot come out of that particular threat what is made by the concerned villains in that particular movie. So, whatever the information he did and he maintained throughout the particular thing point of view, if you observe, so whatever the sales made by his wife from his business, so in related to her business point of view, by selling of pickle, 5 rupees pickle part sold for 500 rupees, getting orders from some import, that's the reason you are getting income in dollars, for everything maintaining the bills, vouchers and all these things. If you observe there, Nana, the particular part, if you observe the particular part, what happened means, what observe the particular part point of view, the information of the particular things maintained by him. In our language, one is audit evidence, whatever the information, the bills and vouchers, what he maintained, that is come under audit evidence point of view. And the third thing is maintenance of information. In our language, working papers or documentation part. If you are a CA student, you definitely know that too also CA inter student who learn auditing. So SA 230 documentation part, maintenance of working papers, maintenance of information, how much important to you, how you come out of the particular things. And the third, while he is suffering with a lot of problem, till that date his father didn't speak anything, he didn't involve any particular thing. That day he will spoke with his son point of view, if you check with the particular content, and there he given him a beautiful advices how to overcome that particular point. So see, whenever you are in deep trouble, how the chartered accountant will save you from your concerned kind of financial struggles, or to overcome that kind of issues, how the chartered accountants will help you, that too without violating any of the provisions of law point of view. So there you can observe, if you have a subject knowledge, if you have command on the subject, then how you can overcome the particular problems, you come to know there itself. And the most another important point is you can check with contact. Contacts are information. Information is wealth, we will say. There, because of his father contacts only, he is able to come out of that particular threat and all these things. Correct, sir. So you can learn so many things from that particular movie. And one more inspiring scene there in that particular movie, and I very much impressed about that particular point. So there he's facing with some kind of issue, and he's expected some promotion. It was not happened. Some argument was happening between him and his superior levels. There some discussion is going on. There that point of time they want to fire him. There he will requested all the parties, and after that he will say one particular dialogue. So that may be most suited for so many CA community students point of view. So what he will told at that particular point of time means, just in my entire day point of view, only half an hour is not mine. It doesn't mean that my entire day was spoiled because of that half an hour. So the scene may be that particular dialogue may be a matter of 1 to 1.5 minutes, sir. But if it has a deeper meaning in related to that. So many CA students or so many CA professions, so many CMA professionals or any of the students who failed there in the first attempt or in their examination, they feel that they already failed in their life. So that's the reason they want to quit, committing suicides, and these kind of issues are coming with the students. Check that particular thing, sir. That particular wordings inspire you a lot. Even after this much settled, myself also that particular scene inspired me a lot. So in your sometimes in your while you are working point of view, one particular day or one particular point of time, the work may disturb you, or the environment may be not be suited to you, it may be struggling you. It doesn't mean that entire your career and entire your things will be disturbed because of that. So for small things don't affect your career. For small things don't affect your career. Based on that, don't decide your career also. That is a beautiful scene in related to that. And one more point, if you observe from that particular movie, if you have money, then only people will respect you. If you check with the interval bank scene, he will go to one particular shopping point of view there, because of his dressing and all the things, how the people will be treated and all these things. Yeah, that's what even I told you. Even this is also you can link up with auditing point of view. So as an auditor, while you are going for audit point of view, your dressing may be an impact on the particular client what you are. So there you can check with that particular scene. Your presence should be looking like an other parties may be impressed by your presence. So there your dressing, your all the things. Nowadays people are seeing what brand you were. By seeing that only they may be in a position to respect you. People and community and society environment now, based on brand they will respect you. So that's the reason you can link up with that particular thing also, auditing point of view. Sir, how as an auditor, how much honesty you will give your opinions will decide how much reputation you will get in the market point of view. How many number of risky audits you are doing, that will make a comfort to you. So if you check with so many points are interlinked with auditing point of view and the chartered accountant point of view, and even students can learn so many things from that particular movie. Some of the even I checked with one video in the recent news channels point of view. Few students by seeing the particular movie they want to earn the money, they come out of the hostels. So don't do the particular stupid things. So if you check with for everything we can learn. That too also we need to see the good. So in our profession also we will face so many struggles. So like 30 minutes of his day is not good. It doesn't mean that entire day was not spoiled. Same way one attempt we are unable to clear. It doesn't mean that we are not suited for that particular profession. I saw in my career so many students are writing n number of attempts, but still they are not clearing. But they are giving attempts again and again. But one fine day definitely they will succeed. The approach what you need to learn is something in related to your part of not giving up. Never give up. That is attitude we need to learn from that particular movie. Same way you can do some strategic management analysis also you can do. That is SWOT analysis. If you check his life point of view, his strength is his family. His weakness is also his family only. So his opportunities, that point of time his friend will come, and in the bank while he's sitting, he will say his goods are stopped there. So now if you give him certain money, by sell them you can get a decent profit. That kind of situation he is able to grab the opportunity. Sir, always life will give you a lot of opportunities, sir, but we need to catch the particular things. We need to identify that is opportunity given by the God itself. So many situations we fail to grab the opportunities what is given by the God itself. That is opportunity. Threat, you can see the threat point of view there. Some of the people are try to struggle him and ask him to do release the bank receipts and all these things, and based on that only you can sustain. There he tried to resign from that particular job, he will do all those things. There you can check with the another concept of SWOT analysis from your strategic management point of view. Correct, sir? And if you check with, there is a costing also in that particular certain scenes point of view, like how to take the decision making, when to take the decision making, while you are taking the decision making, do the cost benefit analysis. While he want to go with that kind of decision point of view, can he give money or not? After giving money, he's by sitting at home and he's try to thinking that whether I did the correct thing. He's go through with several kind of thoughts. They are escaping with the money. These kind of things. So that is a decision analysis part, sir. There you can learn from costing point of view. That is also you can see in that particular movie. Right decisions at right time can change your fate. That is also another important point. You can learn the particular things. And finally, when you have money with you, when you don't have money with you, what is the difference? You can see the particular things. Even people don't see, they are treating your children also in a different mode itself. So there, that kind of scenes also inspired me a lot. That's the reason here money matters at the end of the day. So at the time of the things you need to keep in mind, and always your family will support you. And whenever you want to do certain things, definitely you required a great support from family. Then only you can achieve anything. So there you can linking with the concept of joint auditors. Because whenever you are doing audit of big companies, one auditor cannot do the entire work. It's not practically possible. Then group of people will coming into the picture, doing based on their expertise, which area they are comfort. Based on that they will do the audit. They can express opinion as per SA 299 point of view. You can link with SA 299 also in related to that particular movie. As well as if you check with engagement team, so his point of view, if you check with the entire point of view, some of the people will come and approach him and they are discussing the certain things. There he will speak the particular part. So small gifts while he is giving, he will reject the things. Small gifts point of view, while he is giving, he reject the things. Later on he will approach, and while he want to, before communicating to his boss, he will identify the opportunity there and he will try to earn the certain part. So I'm not encouraging to do those kind of things, but whenever you are doing something, think about the consequences. If you don't think the consequences properly, sometimes it may be impact you much. There, that was the movie. That's the reason he come out of all the kind of things with the support of finally a chartered accountant. That too also we are playing a very important role, whatever the things he did. So this particular movie completely giving a particular part of life lessons. So to whom we need to choose our friends, with what kind of profession we are in, and how to handle the particular profession. These are all kind of things. Really such an inspired movie, sir. If possible, if time permits. So I think so. So many professional students, they are busy with their preparation part. But I am not encouraging right now to go and watch the particular film. But definitely watch that particular film whenever if you get the decent time with you. And finally, I want to conclude a particular thing in related to this particular movie, in related to our life. So God always give you a great opportunities, and sometimes the opportunities will give with you a lot of risk. There you can link up with financial management. Financial management will indicate us if there is no risk, no return itself. Same logic they are also applying there, Nana. So that's why always you have a great chance to learn something every day. Don't feel that you know everything and you did everything. So always something is left with you, you want to do in future point of view tomorrow. So always tomorrow, my point of view definition is something you need to learn good, something you need to do better than today. That is what I will define it as a tomorrow itself. So, my sincere advice in related to the students or some another people. So, for small things, don't get disappointed, don't give up, and try to do your best. Definitely, one fine day you will get your chance. That day you never stop, and you are like an unstoppable person for your life. Then from there onwards, if you there is no need to see turn back, and you cannot check with yourself where you are, and you may be lead a successful happy, but a little patience is required. How as an auditor you need to be patient with your clients and all the things, same way you need to be patient with your life point of view also. So always life will give you a great opportunities. The only thing is we need to identify we got the opportunity and grab those opportunities, utilize it perfectly. Finally you will see the result. That is what I can see. Even though of course that is a fraudulent activity, that is a scam, that is a different story, but you need to see it in a good angle, but don't see the particular things in a negative angle point of view. This is what I want to convey to all my students community. It's just a general video, not in related to pose you or propose you in related to a subject knowledge. Some of the contents they are touching related to audit, evidence is how much important, documentation is how much important, teamwork is how much important, teamwork, engagement team. If you check with SA 220, there you can link up with that kind of thing. Planning is how much important, SA 300 is there. So there is a risk, SA 315, he know there is a risk, but he predicted the risk as per SA 315. He responded towards the risk as per SA 330, and he did certain fraudulent activities as per SA 240. After that, whenever he find out the weaknesses in related to banking transaction, he want to communicate to top class people as per SA 265. Yeah, these are all parts are there. So many things are linking with our standard numbers in related to that particular movie. Finally, you need to so approach while you are taking a final decision point of view. Your senior persons will play an important role. So how you are doing the reporting as per SA 700. So you are reporting so many things, among that so only few aspects will be an important. That is the key audit matters we may be considered as per SA 701, and always evidences are important as per SA 500. And whenever if you are doing something, always when you are engaged is very important. That is SA 210 point of view, you can link with the particular things. So definitely one point of time you may be change or modify your opinion, that is as per SA 705 itself. And always you have a great chances to do the particular things. After you committed the particular thing, certain events will be happen, how to handle the things after you didn't notice it them, already you given the report. That is SA 560 subsequent events point of view. And always your life point of view, there must be an uncertainty. So then how to respond as an auditor as per SA 570. These are all standards I may be linked with the particular movie point of view. Just I want to share the subject knowledge linking with movie. It may be much helpful to you. So that is the reason only I am making this particular video. No, nothing else. I just want to convey like this. By seeing, by watching movies also we can link up with our subject. Then it is a great way of learning the things. I just want to convey that particular things. Okay ma. Bye Nana. Have a nice day.